So now we are going to calculate the monthly payment for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. And as you can see, the annualized interest rate provided by the lender or the bank or the mortgage provider is 5% a year, and it's a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and clearly we have 12 months per year, and the total loan amount is $100,000 US. So now we're going to use the calculator, which is the Texas Instrument BI Plus financial calculator, which is also the same calculator used by the CFA test. So let's start with the number of payments. We have 12 months per year, and it is a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. So in this case, the total number of payment periods will be 360, and let's set that to be in. Next, let's put in the interest rate, which is 5%, divide by 12, and now we have the monthly interest rate, and set that to be 1, right? And the present value of the loan is $100,000 US, and let's enter that to be the present value. Now we have the present value in the system. And if you pay every single payment on time and in full, the future value of this loan should be 0. So now we have entered the number of periods, the period interest rate, the present value, and the future value, which are the 4 out of 5 variables in a loan calculation. And now let's calculate the monthly payment. Let's click this compute. Nothing changed on the screen, but I did push the button. And let's push the payment. And now you can tell our monthly payment is $536 per month, and the sign of minus indicate is a cash outflow. So if you are paying some form of mortgages already, like automobile or home mortgages, you can compare the loan size of your of the mortgage that you have. If you borrowed $300,000, maybe you can multiply this by 3 and see if your monthly payment is close to this number or not. Okay. But that's pretty much how you use a financial calculator to calculate the monthly payment for 30-year fixed mortgage rate. Last but not least, there are lots of buttons like the payments per year, beginning or ending. So when you use the financial calculator to do any calculation, making sure you reset those numbers, or you are aware or you know what you are doing by setting those configurations. Thank you.